I'm KAHLIL RAGHUNAN at RE/MAX Twin City. We're here in West Brant at this stunning two-story home with approximately 2,600 square feet of living space. This 3-bed, 3-bath with fully finished basement has several updates, including new kitchen, flooring, and steel roof with lifetime warranty. This home offers a gorgeous heated saltwater pool and a great backyard that meets all your entertaining needs. You have to see this one in person. Give me a call, I'll be glad to take you through.